Hi, crazy ideas no one is back. As we know, the anaconda or water python is a genus of large South American pythons found in tropical South America. They are semi-terrestrial, half-aquatic species, often hiding in the swamps, rivers, and jungle of South America. You can see at the beginning of the video an enormous and creepy python that is equally as large as the real anaconda in South America. Our artisan was expertly created it by using incredible basic materials such as bamboo, straw, mud, and clay. Now let's watch the whole video to see how our artisan created this amazing piece. Firstly, the worker used long bamboo sticks to wrap them around a large coconut tree while wrapping a parallel water pipe. Just a few bamboo sticks, the craftsman has created the rough frame of the work. Looking here, we can imagine the head and tail of a giant python. The next stage, the worker used short bamboo sticks to hammer into the ground to form a circle like a mini tank right next to the coconut tree. Oh, let's see, a mixture of well-kneaded mud and straw is applied to the work, including the body of the python wrapped around the coconut tree and the mini fish tank. Waiting for the mixture of mud and straw to have a certain degree of adhesion and dryness. The worker continues to take a large amount of clay. When the clay was brought home, it was thoroughly kneaded with water to form a mixture similar to clay. They had a very high fineness. This part of clay was also skillfully applied to the entire work by craftsmen. The whole work was put on a new yellow shirt that looks very eye-catching. Wow, look at it! Inside the fish tank was painted green to add highlights, and the body of the giant python was painted in orange with a little brown and white Perhaps we cannot distinguish with our naked eye whether it is a real python or just an earth python. It is true that the work must be created by very skilled craftsmen and with a great creative mind. Next, the eyes of the giant python were attached with two black marbles, and the tongue was made of bamboo and painted red. Finally, the worker installed a circulating water pump system and used stones and some miniatures to decorate the aquarium and the work. When the circulation pump worked, the water from the giant python's mouth looked like he is spraying venom into the mini aquarium. Creativity in people is absolutely unlimited. So now, let's take a look at the complete piece to appreciate the creativity, attention to detail, and skill of the artisans that made it. Let us know what you think about this piece, and if you like us, please subscribe to support and follow our next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!